So the update on the F-150, such as it is. My issue right now, aside from the bad oil leak right around there, and that exhaust leak right there, you can see a little crack that's not tightened down enough. The real issue, I might be losing coolant. Of course, I could be. Well, I just got water in there now, but because of the leak, but could be where it was leaking there. Could be maybe a blown head gasket, but it's not leaking into the engine. But also, I've got this little issue down here. I don't know if you can make that out. Kind of got upside down here. I had to rig this thing up and patch it together that way. I'm not even sure if rubber line will work for that sort of thing. But it is just leaking oil out like a sieve. So that can't be allowed to happen. Of course, you know, timing being off, possibly not using all 6 cylinders, and this nightmare of a leaky master cylinder, as well as brakes not working quite right. I expect, because of a vacuum leak that you can hear once it starts up, and I think it's there, right there. But you know, it's a spread bore carburetor on a square bore intake, and it might be a little big for it anyway. So also a heater core is blown. Can I see that over there? That's routed around, but that's not a problem till winter time. So somewhat drivable here and there. I gotta do something about that oil and coolant leak, and I hope I didn't strip something out down there putting that little spout type of mechanism on it. I could have. I hope I didn't. Not the easiest thing finding the right radiator for these, at least for a decent price. Spent more than I wanted to on that one. eBay didn't have the right one, and I tried to get the right one, ended up just wasted money. Too honest of a person. I can't ask for my money back when I knew exactly what I was ordering. I just thought it would work anyway. So I knew it was the wrong part, but I knew it wasn't. I didn't know it wouldn't work anyway. So I couldn't exactly, I'm too honest, I guess. But anyway, it kind of runs. I just got to do something about that. And I got to get the chance to work on that. I might have to order another one of these, you know, metal things here and saw it down, make it work right. Hopefully. Use as little rubber as possible. I don't know. Hopefully I don't have to buy completely new lines for that, and like metal lines. That's it so far on that.